interrupt this program to bring you news bulletins from Washington, D.C. All of the wires have sent us the account of the President of the United States has been killed. In the White House, along with the Secretary of State and the Speaker of the House of Representatives. Other bulletins coming from around the country say that the governors of several states have been killed. The governor of California, of Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, and of New York. There are other bulletins that tell us that people are being herded into the streets of the large cities and machine gunned down like cattle. Ladies and gentlemen,